Hello, my friend. I'm Dennis Wang. Welcome to Foshan Autom packaging machinery. And today, I will going to introduce you the air-beam hook-to-back packing machine with batch and quantitative extrusion. The model number of this machine is ATM 350XQ. Why is customized? Because it's customized for packing 200 grams ShiSha products. Okay, let me run this machine to show you how it works.
去个袋子的空皮，来称一下。这个是没去皮的哈，去了皮是0，归一下0，归一下0，对，称重归0，对 ，OK， 来，249，252，250万，哎，240万，251，好 ，OK。
So, you have any customized packaging solution, just find us at this website or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching my video today. Bye.